Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I've got this 2024 XP4 1000, and I want to talk to you about the Tusk Folding Glass Windshield that we have installed. So we have multiple different windshield options for this model, but if you're looking for a glass windshield that's going to have the most versatility, you're going to want the folding glass, and I'll explain why here in just a moment. We've got a great how-to video, showed you step-by-step how to get this installed. It's an easy install process, works with the OEM roof or the Tusk aftermarket roof as well. But the reason that you get the most versatility with this windshield is that right now, got in the opposition, but let's say you do want some airflow coming into the cab. Well, you've got two options for that. Down here at the bottom, you actually have these built-in vents that you control from the inside. And when you have these open, you'd actually be very surprised how much airflow goes through the two vents that you have at the bottom. But let's say there's a situation where you want maximum airflow and you want all that coming in the cab. Well, just like the name says, in just a matter of seconds, you just unfasten these knobs here at the top. The windshield folds down onto these brackets that install right here to the hood. Again, we show you how to install those in that how-to video. And that gets the windshield down completely out of view so you can still drive as normal. It's very, very sturdy, so you can still drive aggressive, but you're getting maximum airflow into the cab. So it just gives you a lot of versatility, and that's why people like the folding glass windshield so much. Some other nice features about it is with the glass, it's laminated safety auto glass, so the same glass as your car, your truck's windshield. Has a slight tint to it just to make it a little bit easier on your eyes in those bright sunny conditions. The frame is all powder coated aluminum. You have this filler panel that goes up here on top that mounts the roll cage. But after that, like I said, it's a very simple process. Charles, he walks you through step by step. You also have a wiper blade that will also come included that you can operate from the inside. But one of the features I also really like about this windshield is the field of view. So even with the aluminum frame, you can see it goes almost to the roll cage, so you really don't lose much field of view when you have this windshield installed. So overall, it's a great option. You could also pair this up. We have the rear glass window also installed on this XP4 1000. If you're looking for the premium option in the back, that's the route to take. You can see it works great with our Tusk pivoting folding mirrors with the A-pillar mirror mounts. If you don't have mirrors already, like I said, OEM or Tusk aftermarket roof, it's a great option. If you have questions, comments about this, please leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. To grab one for yours, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so just be sure to enter the year, make, and model of the UTV that you have to ensure that you get proper fitment. And as always, we ship for free over $75. And to stay up to date on the best product like this from Tusk, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.